Thank you, delegates. I rise to move the amendment dealing with data retention. In a dangerous world, protecting the safety of Australians is rightly judged to be the first responsibility of government. But government also has a responsibility to protect what it means to be Australian, including our right to privacy and to due legal process. The challenge for lawmakers is to strike the right balance, the balance between privacy and security, between transparency and strength, and between the power of government and the rights of citizens. The government's data retention laws do not strike the right balance, and neither does Labor's support of these laws. Our lives, our personal relationships and our work, now mediated by smartphones and other digital tools, and these tools create billions of personal records. When aggregated, our metadata records and potentially reveals the details of our personal lives. Proponents of the metadata retention say those who do nothing wrong have nothing to fear. But these laws help create a culture of fear, a culture where we are all under suspicion and subject to heightened mass surveillance, where some government agencies don't require a warrant to investigate alleged wrongdoings. We do not need laws that give access to our metadata to over 20 government agencies, some of which have tenuous responsibility for national security, if any. We do not need laws that empower the Attorney-General to add more agencies to that list on a whim and forever expand the government's access to our digital lives. And we do not need flawed laws that demand Australians sacrifice their privacy supposedly for the sake of security. This amendment commits us to review these laws and I hope find a better balance. I hope that review will see us all require a warrant to investigate individuals and protect our rights to due legal process. I hope that review will restrict access to criminal law enforcement agencies, limit access to investigations only involving serious criminal offences or threats to national security, and I hope that review will bestow strength, preserve transparency and accountability, and that we remove fear and restore trust through this process. It's been said we're facing the death of privacy, that privacy equals secrecy and danger. But those of us here must remember that the right to privacy is not a natural right. It was hard-won, and like all rights, comes with responsibilities. The need to act as good citizens extends to our digital life too, and those who do the wrong thing must be caught and punished. But the right to privacy is also a right the government has a duty to uphold, and we certainly shouldn't be handing over the keys to our lives to this current government. Labor is the only party that can get this right. We can strike the right kind of balance, we can protect Australians and also protect our rights as Australians. Delegates, I commend the amendment to you.